Singapore will join other countries in tweaking its laws for controlling transboundary movement of hazardous waste. The bill passed today will include more categories of plastic waste to address global concerns of the environmental impact when such waste is moved across countries unregulated.
This comes after countries agreed to changes in the Basel Convention last year. That's an international treaty controlling movement of such waste to protect human health and the environment. Enforcement checks previously limited to vessels and aircrafts will also be expanded to include land checkpoints.
Authorities say they'll guide companies on compliance, and they also hope that the new bill will bring greater benefits for the local recycling industry.
We hope that the local recycling industry will benefit from economic opportunities as clearer regulations on the flow of recyclables develop. This will facilitate the legitimate flow of recyclables and open up new markets for our local companies.